Myself, Aryu Singh, working as an English teacher in a reputed school for more than 25 years. Dear students, this year is very special year for me as I am celebrating Silver Jubilee as a teacher. After getting your overwhelming responses, I am very much inspired to motivate you people. I hope all of you would like, share, and subscribe my motivational video. This time I have decided to discuss how you have to get rid of distractions. Generally, our young minds are getting distracted nowadays. Lockdown has disturbed you people, and most of our students, most of teenagers, most of young people, they are getting distracted. It's due to getting busy in social media. I would like to discuss how social media is distracting your young mind. Most of the teenagers are very much busy in different type of activities with social media, and they don't know what is the effect of social media. They get themselves engaged in FB, WhatsApp, internet, and many other social medias. Now, another most important thing which have affected your mind, that is movies and TV shows. You people are completely remain busy in movies and TV shows, and they are also distracting your mind. You don't know up to how much time you are gossiping and chatting on social media, but if you realize the effect of the using social media, certainly you will start hating it. Dear students, chatting must be avoided. If you don't avoid it, suddenly it will cause your depression, physical disabilities. So you are strictly advised you should not use social media more than 20 to 30 minutes. It is known to all how social media is affecting your mind. It is the biggest distraction among students. If you don't focus on your studies and don't get good result, the reason is clear. If you want success in your career, certainly you have to maintain proper distance from social media. In place of spending your valuable time on internet, FB, Instagram, or WhatsApp, you are advised you could read some good book. You should watch some inspirational stories and videos. You should read some inspirational stories. Certainly that they will help you to avoid distractions. Dear students, you don't know the effect of these social medias. You never care, you never realize your follies. But when the time comes and you realize you have lost everything, then you remain puzzled and bewildered. You start realizing how your valuable, how your costly time has been snatched, and nothing is left except hopelessness, frustration, disappointment, and repentance. It's due to momentary pleasure or distractions. Lastly, I would like to quote few lines to inspire you and motivate you all. Life is like a camera. Dear students, how important these lines are. These lines are eye openers. Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important and capture the good time. Develop upon the negative, and if things don't work out, just take another shot. Oh, if you think over these lines, certainly you will realize you have lost everything and you cannot gain that spent time. अगर जिंदगी में भरोसा खुद पर हो तो वो ताकत बन जाती है, और दूसरों पर रखो तो वो कमजोरी बन जाती है। जिंदगी की हकीकत को बस इतना ही जाना है, दर्द में अकेले हैं और खुशियों में जमाना है। Once again, students, I would like to thank you, and I hope all of you would follow my instructions. I hope you will trust in yourself and you'd certainly touch the sky. Thanks.